Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to delete a story on TikTok. So I'm heading over to TikTok. Once you are in there, head over to your profiles. And as you can see, I have already posted a story. I'm heading over to it. And in here, you'll find mention people in your story or something. And if you tap on the three dots on the lower right, you will find the option of delete, so tap on delete. So if you want to delete it and re-edit, you can just tap on that. And if you don't want to edit it now but just want to delete it, so tap on delete. So as you can see, my story is now deleted. So yeah, this is how you can delete your story on TikTok too. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next one.